Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as per yesterday's video, if you have seen yesterday's video, you would have got today's move. So again, we are in continuous run winning streak. So today also we have touched our next target, which is 25,811, which I have discussed in yesterday's video that we will be testing 25,811. Okay, I was bullish till this level. When market was at top, I said I'm bearish here. Again, when market came here, I said I will turn to bullish. And from here, my target I kept as 25,811. Okay, this we have achieved here. Again, yesterday in the video, I said if you wanted to take down trade, I'm seeing only one trade. If a red candle close near this green candle or below 25,722 level, when you are seeing a candle getting closed, so your nearest target and only one target which I'm seeing here is this level, which is 25,640. I said in video. So it is 25,640. If you can go and watch yesterday's video, this is only one downside target which I have given yesterday. Again, I also clearly said you have to take plus or minus 10 points. It cannot be exact 25,640. It can be 25,630 or it can be 25,650. So today market have made bottom at 25,645 exactly. Okay, so from here market have taken U-turn today. Okay, again, if you know the advanced price action, you will understand the concept of these three doji candles. So when these three doji candles created, you would have taken trade upside here itself if you know the concepts of advanced price action. Okay, so market have made bottom at 25,645 today, and it went and tested our target, which is 25,811. Almost 200 points rally came today from the bottom in Nifty. If you would have seen yesterday's video, you would have entered here for the long side. Okay, I also said in case if you have missed here, you can enter on the breakout here. If you have entered here also, you would have got this move. Okay, so this is what yesterday's analysis which you have done, and exactly market behaved the same way. Now what next? Yesterday I've also said above 25,811, if a strong candle close, we will see target as 25,940. Sorry, 25,940 is our next target, and above this 26k will be our second target, because again this is a psychological strong resistance number, round number. So we have to see price action here, then we have to decide which side it can go. So now from here, now what is the scenario for tomorrow? If market opens flat and breaks today's high and close a candle here, your target will be 25,840 and your next target will be 26k. This is your ultimate target for tomorrow. Okay, in case if market opens flat and give a dip, okay, wait for the retest of this zone, which is 25,720 to 25,750 level. 25,720 to 750 level. Okay, at this zone market have to create a green candle here on 15 minutes time frame. If you see a good green candle getting created here on 15 minutes time frame, this low as your SL, this high as your entry, you can aim for 25,940 target, because when a green candle creates here, it will easily break this high and your target will be 25,940. Okay, in case if here you have to book 80% of your quantity, because market can go sideways and slowly then it can give a breakout of 26k. But if you have entered here on the dip, you should book 80% of your quantity. Remaining 20% you can keep your trailing stop loss at 25,840, 850, and you can wait for 26k target. And if it breaks about 26k, you will see a short covering upside, and 26,122 will be your next target, and then 26,222 will be your next target. But I don't think this might happen tomorrow. There are less chances, but market can do anything. But as if now I'm seeing, if market opens flat, you will see 25,940 target. If market opens flat and give a dip and create a candle near 25,720, 750 zone, again you will see a 25,940 as a target. Only downside move again I am seeing here only if it breaks this trend line and closes below 25,720, 700 level, we might come back and see 25,630, 600, 630 level. Okay, 25,600, 630 level. Again there are less chances market coming and visiting this level tomorrow, but in case if it comes, this is only the possible target which I am seeing, 25,600 to 630 level. Okay, this can act as a strong support, and from here market can go sideways. Okay, but there are high chances market can open flat, give a dip to 720, 750 zone. From here it will take a u-turn and it will test this target. Or else the other scenario is, if market opens flat and give a breakout, you will enter for this target. In case if market opens big gap up, wait for the dip to 800 820 zone and then enter there based on the green candle formation on 15 minutes time frame for the 25,940 target. This is on Nifty. So bank Nifty, coming to bank Nifty, yesterday only I clearly said, if you have entered here on 60,900 breakout, you would have captured move yesterday. In case if you have missed this move, I said don't enter in FOMO here. Either wait for this breakout, 61,200 level breakout. If you can go and watch my video yesterday, I clearly mentioned this level. Wait for 65,200 breakout, or wait for dip to this zone and let it create a green candle here. Then you can enter for long with this lower stop loss here as your entry. And in case if it gives a breakout of 61,200, you can enter long. So this is the candle that has given breakout, and here you will be keeping your stop loss. And I also clearly set targets: 61,333, okay, and 61,444. And market exactly behaved the same way, and today it tested 61,600 zone as well. And after 61,444 target, I also said 61,555 will be your next target. Okay, in case if market closes above this, all time high will be your target. So market exactly closed here near now 61,508 zone, almost near 61,510 515 zone, and it made a high of 61,596. So today all these three targets got triggered. Okay, now how you are going to trade for tomorrow? There are three cases where you can trade for tomorrow. One case is, let me delete all this so that it will be clear for everyone to see the levels. So whatever analysis we are doing analysis based on institution levels, price action, okay, fair value gap, all those things. Don't treat this analysis as a normal analysis. If I would have done normal analysis, straight 10 days, you should have not seen targets getting triggered and from where exactly market have taken U-turn. Okay, so last 10 days, if I say dip comes to this zone and creates a green candle, it will fly from there to this target. Market is behaving same way. If it gives breakout of this level, it will go and hit this target. It is going in the same way. So you are seeing even dip reversal, even breakout upside, you are seeing movements. Okay, so now what is our price action for tomorrow? How can we trade for tomorrow? So this is the zone which I am marking here, okay, which is 60,000, 61,240 to 61,180 zone. Okay, in case if market opens flat, if it gives a dip to this zone and create a green candle, okay, create a green candle, here will be your entry. Your stop loss will be at 61,180, your stop loss. Okay, and your entry will be on this candle wherever it creates. Let's assume it is creating at 61,330 340. So 61,000, let's assume 340 will be your entry, and your target will be this high, which is today's high. 61,600 will be your target, and your next target will be 61,777, which is our all-time high. Okay, above this 62,000 will be your target. 62k, again this is a round number, psychological number, so you might see some resistance here. On the breakout of 62k, you will see 62,333 as your next target. 62,333 as your next target. This is if market opens flat and gives a dip. Okay, this is only downside move I am seeing. I am not seeing more than this on the downside at the moment. Okay, the other thing is if market opens flat and breaks today's high, okay, 61,600, you aim for 61,777 as your first target. Above this, 62k as your next target. But at 61,777, you might see some resistance. Market might give some dip and go sideways, and then it can give a breakout. Okay, because this is all time high, you might see some resistance. Sometimes what will happen is, instead of going sideways here, it might give straight away breakout. Okay, and it might go and retest the 62k level. But 62k level, at least you will get some resistance at this level. Book 80% of your profits at this level. Remaining 20% you can trail for 62,333 as your target. This is your game plan for tomorrow. In case if market opens gap up like 50 100 150 points gap up, okay, you wait for a dip till today's high. Okay, See here price action. If you are seeing a green candle on 15 minutes time frame here, enter here, keep that green candle lowest stop loss. Again your first target will be same, second target will be same, third target will be same. Above 62,333 we might see, okay, above 62,333 we might see 62,888. Okay, but this is little long journey. We might get in this week only. Based on how price action unfolds this week, we will have ultimate targets for next week as 62,888 for next week. Okay, next week also I'm saying now, but that depends on this week Friday's closing. Okay, but for tomorrow this is a game plan that we discussed. If it opens flat, wait for the dip. If it opens flat and give a breakout, you know how to play. If it opens gap up, you know how to play now. So this is what my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope these levels are helping you to catch the moves during the intraday. So I also posted yesterday a automation video on fires. How can you automate your trades? Please go and check that video. I'll add in the description as well the link to that video. You can go back and check. If you are interested to learn more levels during the live market, you can join my WhatsApp community. So it is a free group. I am not going to charge even 1 rupee for you to join there, and I'm not giving any buy sell recommendations there. Just I am going to provide my analysis based on the price action. Don't expect and come there. I will give some tips towards stocks to enter. I'm not going to give anything those kind of tips there because I am not a SEBI registered analyst, so I can't provide all those tips. This video is purely for education purpose. You can learn from this video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends, whoever is interested. Okay, thank you everyone.